I literally just realized I wasn't even recording. As I was saying, this place, I think, is haunted. I used to stay here with my mom. She knew the owner of the bar, and it was like a motel. As for being haunted, I'm not sure, but I do remember hearing some weird stuff when I used to live here. It's been abandoned for at least 5 years, maybe more. Most of the windows are boarded up. Some aren't. Used to live right up in that building, right? That one or that one. What was that? I heard something. There are cars around. If you see anything, let me know. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. Not doing anything wrong. Doesn't say private property or anything. Wait, was there a fire? This place is creepier than I remembered. That door looks like that window looks like it's open. Doesn't it, kinda? Maybe it is. It looks like there's a fire there. Maybe that's why it closed. It's creepy though. Is there any spirits here that would like to communicate with me? I'm not here to disrespect you. Just here to communicate if you want to. Used to be a bar attached. You hear or see anything, let me know.